Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to write better prompts for ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, be specific. Instead of write a caption saying, write a fun Instagram caption for beach photo, max 15 words, emojis allowed. The more context, the better the results. Set the role. Start with act as a social media manager or pretend you're a career coach. This shapes the AI's tone and focus. You can also add format and examples. Tell ChatGPT how to respond. Say, give me 3 bullet points or respond in a table. You can even provide a sample it should be matched. Refine and reprompt. If the first answer isn't perfect, ask, make it shorter or add humor or make it more formal. It's a conversation, not a one-shot deal. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.